Good morning, guys. In front of me is VIVO V23, and let me show you how to add a fingerprint. First of all, open the settings. Then find and select security, go to fingerprint, and now choose the backup to your fingerprint that you can use. It is pattern, pin code, or the password. I will apply pattern, so just enter it, click on next, and then re-enter to confirm. Now manage notification content. I would like to hide it all, tap on done, and click on start enrollment. So here is your fingerprint sensor. All you have to do is to keep tapping till your fingerprint is fully added. Tap on done, and that's it. From now on, you can unlock your device either with this backup pattern or the fingerprint that we set. So that is all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.